Hi guys, this is Casper. Wow, amazing! Wow, we're going to do a forecast now for the next few days, and also the next 3 days is snow cover risk, and also as we go through to the interesting developments actually now taking place towards the end of next week in terms of winter weather, and so we're going to take a look at that in a minute. Though, I just want to excuse me, run through the GFS operational. This is for today. You can see here the greens there indicating just light snowfall really across many parts of like Florida, especially across eastern parts and as well. And you see this area of the pressure there out to the south. See there just over southwestern parts of France there. This is the developing area of the pressure now. As we go through the charts, so this is for midday today, the 19th of January. As we go through towards tonight, many places are clear, but we've still got a few light flurries in places. These are mainly dying out though, mainly across eastern parts of the country. But I think some significant snowfall will continue across northeast England as we go through today into the evening. Much of that snizzle rain and light snow will die out, temperatures dropping like a stone and some ice at risk to many parts of the country, and they're starting to bring in an easterly wind now, so some snow showers returning to the east. And watch this area of low pressure out to the west here, just watch it there. Those dark blues there across France, watch what they do. They sort of push up, don't they, across many parts of England as well. So this is looking for 9 o'clock on Sunday morning now. We're starting to see the first signs of snow across many parts of England and Wales. So as we go through tomorrow daytime, the eastern side, southeast quarter of England, it doesn't show signs of stopping because it's looking to get particularly heavy through that area. And as we go through towards the end of Sunday, we're starting to develop this area of low pressure further, wrapping around the area of low pressure with bands of snow coming into many parts of northeastern England as well as the East Anglia region and Kent. Where do I think we're going to be going in terms of snowfall? Well, this is the chart. This is my forecast for Sunday daytime. Look, confidence on the far western edge of this snowfall is somewhat up to debate, I think. It's in the medium category, so it could shift, say 100 miles east, could shift 100 miles west, meaning that much of Wales will be affected by some snowfall, meaning that much of Wales won't be affected by some snowfall. But I think we can go a lot from a line now, sort of through Yorkshire down towards Manchester, down towards Birmingham, and down towards London. That's the western extent. This is by 6 p.m. Sunday. This is not Sunday night. This is Sunday daytime. So whenever you're going to see, whenever the sun's up, this is where I think snow's going to be falling. Go say. Okay, so that's low pressure moving up from the south there during Sunday. 4 to 7 centimeters there across many parts of Essex, Suffolk, Norfolk as well. On the hills we could see between 5 to 15 centimeters, and also this 2 to 5 centimeters there now. The snow spreads across England and Wales as well, between 1 and 3 centimeters across many parts of England and Wales as well. Other parts could see some light snow flurries continuing elsewhere, similar to today. Some light snow showers continuing across eastern parts of Scotland during Sunday, and also during Sunday 2 to 5 centimeters and 4 to 7 centimeters, but much more than this over the hills, and getting quite blizzardous in places with the keen easterly breeze setting in. Now watch what happens as we go through towards Sunday night time. We've got that area of snow. Look, this is Sunday day. This is by 6 p.m. Sunday, so this is Sunday daytime. We've got that area of snow across many parts of England and Wales, and watch how it tracks up the eastern coast. Look at the colours there. Track up the eastern coast, and remember the reds are 5 to 8 centimeters, the oranges are between 2 and 5 centimeters, and the yellows there between 1 and 3 centimeters. I think there's more confidence in this forecast actually. There's more confidence in the western extent. So this is through Sunday night into Monday. I think on Monday morning, many parts of northeast England, the Pennines, also parts of northern England, going up towards the southeast of Scotland, I think are going to see some wake up to significant covering of snowfall, heavy and significant in parts of Lincolnshire, parts of the Humberside area, and also running up through Yorkshire. Now there is a bit of doubt about where there's going to be rain and snow. I think once it's come inland and once it's come over the Pennines, certainly lots of snow in the forecast. But I think right along the eastern coast, this is more likely to set in stone as rain and sleet. But a significant accumulation of what's to come inland, and by Monday 6 o'clock in the morning on Monday, we're building up. By 6 o'clock on Monday morning, we've got heavy snow then tracking up the east coast of northern England and Scotland as well, and many parts waking up to a covering on Monday morning. Now let's see let's see how the high resolution models are doing. Well, this is the Hairland model, and this is for 3 o'clock on Sunday morning, and this is showing a few light flurries dotted around the country. And as I go through tonight, look, the flurries continue, and we see the more significant snow running up, and then by 6 a.m. we've got snow flurries starting to come into the southeast there. Look at these greens there. This is 6 o'clock on Sunday morning. Snow starting to come out to the southeast, and then by 9 o'clock and 12 o'clock by midday, we're starting to push in snow right through the country now, edging in through the southeast. Now look at the 2s and 3s there across southeast England. This is indicating of some very heavy snow indeed, and that tracks its way along the east coast. Look as I go through, and this area of snow tracking along the east coast, and then by tomorrow evening, so by Sunday night, we got heavy snow across many parts of northeastern England, Lincolnshire as well. And then by the time we go through to the end of the chart, there we got some snowfalls elsewhere. And then by the total, rainfall on this chart is signaling the total snow accumulations. You can just turn these into snowfall accumulations. So 7 millimeters equals 7 centimeters, and by 9 p.m. on Sunday, we've already got say 6, 7, 8 centimeters in some hills of the southeast. But also look through the Pennines. By tomorrow evening, we've got some snowfall as well as lapping onto eastern coast of Scotland. There's some snow showers around here. Now let's pick up from where we left off then on the operational chart. So this is by 9 p.m. on Sunday. So Sunday night, look, this heavy snow is continuing, and then as we go through Monday morning and Monday daytime, we got this another area of blues across the southwest of England, and also running up through Ireland as well. This poses another threat. Let me just show you my forecast for Monday daytime. Look, this is the snow accumulations for Monday. Generally, this front coming across many parts of England and Wales, producing somewhere in the region of 2 to 5 centimeters. But as well, this front comes into Northern Ireland. The front looking for something like this, coming in like that. So it's coming in something like that, and it's also going to bring a period of snow to parts of Ireland as well. Southwest Ireland, cities like Cork, Limerick, possibly even Dublin, seeing some snow, but I think it won't get as far north as Dublin at least at this stage. But I'll update you, of course, as well. And then as we go through Monday, the significant snow risk increases to many parts of England and Wales. Notice that we've got this area of low pressure out to the south there, and we've got this front line across many parts of northern England, and also running up to Northern Ireland, we'll see a good snowfall. But notice this is for Monday, by the way. Notice that on Monday we've still got some snow persisting across northern parts of Scotland too. There's some snowfall going on here. The rest of the country is dry, very cold. The temperatures struggling to get above freezing, although we could struggle to get to 5 degrees Celsius in the far southwest, but remaining at say 0 degrees in the snow-covered fields, and 2 degrees also in some parts of England and Wales. And let's have a look at the temperatures. Are going to be quite an interesting theme then. The temperatures are going to drop very low. This is by midday on Monday. Temperatures at -14 there across southeast Wales. This is where we've got the snow cover, the severe frost across southeast Wales. Remember that southeast Wales is in that red warning for snow. The snow's there now across those regions. So as we go through towards the nighttime period, these struggling to get above freezing in parts of England and Wales. So it's going to be a cool period. But watch how we've got the oranges out sort of southwest England and northwest Scotland. Here it's slightly milder, so anything like anything on the coast here or even inland is likely to be of snowfall. But on the hills, like to be of rainfall. But on the hills, likely to be snowfall. So what about the weather for the week ahead then? What about as further on? So let's pick up where we left off then. So on Monday, through Monday afternoon, we've got areas of snow through the country. I think the motto on Monday is wherever your car is, wherever you are on Monday, you are likely to see a few snow flurries and a few moderate snow showers. But the main risk being across the southwest Ireland, but also eastern parts of Scotland being whipped by heavy snow showers. Now, by the time we go into the day on Tuesday, we're still looking at some snowfall around and areas of snowfall coming up from the southwest. And then as we go through Tuesday night, the sky is clear, very cold again. For Wednesday morning, continue with that theme, snow showers coming in, and some of this could be turning to sleet and rain on the coast, but looking like definitely some snowfall. Excuse me, so looking at some snowfall inland and on the hills is certain, and snow flows continue, and then we go very cold with severe frost actually for many parts as we go through towards the day on Wednesday morning, and then through Wednesday into Friday. Actually, on Friday we start to build in this front from the southwest. So on the day on Friday, we could see another threat of snowfall, and the model wants to turn it much milder. But I'm uncertain about this. Cold air is quite hard to shift, and if we develop a more dominating easterly block, this rainfall across many parts of the country here could not be the case. It could be that we maintain the easterly flow, but there is a lot of doubt about this. I think 50-50 chance of it staying cold, 50-50 chance of it turning milder. There's a lot of doubt going around this forecast, but I think it is likely to change. The weather pattern's likely to change through the next weekend. Whether it turns colder or milder, we're not too sure on that. Next for the week after next, then I think we are likely to see some snowfall events in places, and I think temperatures struggling to get above 4 or 5 degrees in the south. Maybe 2 or 3 degrees in the north, that sort of thing. So the motto for the week ahead is really things starting to turn cold, really things reinvigorating the cold, becoming widespread over night time, especially on the snowfields. As I say, Sunday night time could see some very cold temperatures across many parts of the country. Just want to leave you with that one then. That's the snowfall for Sunday daytime. So much of eastern side of England covered with snowfall. Southeast England, London, Lincolnshire, the Wash, York, other cities now. Hull, running up through much of eastern parts of England, Essex, Suffolk, Norfolk getting coated with snow. And as we go through towards Sunday night there, many parts of eastern England have got 5 to 10 centimetres. And you can imagine here, 2 to 5 centimetres, add the 2 to 5 centimetres already across south east England. It's coming on now towards 5 to 10 centimetres in some parts of eastern England and Wales. And then by Monday, look, we've got that snow across many parts of England and Wales. But I think more like rain on the coast and some snow, rain, sleet and snow in Ireland, but somewhere there's snow as well, south east Ireland as well, southwest Ireland. As we go through towards Monday daytime, struggling to get above freezing in many parts, but maybe 5 or 6 degrees in the southwest. We'll see about that. And on Monday, continuing snowfall at times in the north. So it's a very interesting week, I've got to tell you. It's a very nice British snowfall week, very much similar to February 2012 and February 2009. Just an average snowfall week for many parts of England and Wales. I don't think it's being severely cold, but it is looking like a good winter snap. So thanks for watching, and you can get the latest stuff, gossip on the YouTube. Just go to youtube.co.uk and type in Casting Amazing Wow, and you can get all the latest forecasts there. These videos are issued every day, and if they're not issued every day, if there's a cancellation, that you can go over to my Twitter account at Cassim1, and the cancellation will be on there. I'll let you know on there if the video is still up for grabs. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you later. Keep safe in the snowfall. If you get stuck in the snowfall across the southeast tomorrow, make sure you've taken water, a map, and a mobile phone. But don't rely on your mobile phone. If you get stuck and you've got no signal, you shouldn't rely on your mobile phone. You should rely on your water and food as well. And if the heating goes off if the heating does go off during the cold snap, and the British gas can't get to you, I'd recommend bundling all the people in the house into 2 rooms with all the windows and the doors shut in the whole house. And I'd make sure that people got enough water. Water's the only thing where your food isn't that important. It's water, I think, which people sometimes miss out on in case people get dehydrated if the water supply goes. So thanks very much, and see you later.